Wagwan, glad to see you. My name is Maxine and I am a natural self-care advocate. Have you been out in nature lately? The flowers are blooming. Food combination. Combining food is so important, but we don't pay enough attention to it. Have you ever heard of the phrase, eat melons alone? That's because melons are water-based and it just goes through your system efficiently. Fruits in general should not be mixed with other food combinations. Again, because it goes through your small intestines. And if it is paired with other fruits, it can block it, causing gas and just disruption of your system. Self-care, you are worthy. If you like the vibes, hit subscribe. Please, if you like the contents of the video, hit subscribe. It encourages me to keep on going. Self-care, you are worthy.